is up, guys? In today's video I will be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I have already made a lot of progress in this game. I just wanted to show you stuff. Yeah, stuff. So first I need to defeat a spider for a quest. Polar Bear's quest right there. Die, spider. You can't do anything to me. Okay, there we go. Just killed the spider, then done part of that quest. Now I'm going to go to the Ant Challenge 2. Defeat my giant ant. Because I need to defeat 10 giant ants. And I've only defeated 3. So, yeah. I'll be back once I've done the ant challenge. Okay, guys, I just did the ant challenge. So now I've defeated 4 giant ants. Oh, I forgot to get this dispenser. There we go. Now I just need to get this other dispenser. And if you want to get a glider there, the glider that I have is 5 million honey, and the first glider is 500,000 honey, so you won't be able to get a glider for a long time if you just start. And I am very fast because the dispensers give me speed. Okay, now I'm just gonna go to the pineapple patch. No, not the pineapple patch, the strawberry field. I'm still very fast. Let's do this part of the quest, boy. Zoom, zoom, zoom. No, I don't want to lose this speed. No, I gotta stay fast. I'm staying fast, boy. No, I'm slow, but I'm still fast. At least. And I might do a special video when I hit 10 subscribers, by the way. So I really want it, and also I really want 10 subscribers. As you know, we've been growing very slowly. Okay, now I need to go to the mushroom, but yeah. Oh, I thought that was a thing. Something that you guys would know, but I might tell you soon. Anyway, I thought that person started a meteor shower for a second. And they're really good. Ooh, by the way, I forgot to do something. Something very cool that I love to do. First, I'm just gonna kill these things. Thank you, bees. They're the best. A honey storm, and then there's a bunch of honey storm tokens that pop up everywhere, and then you collect them. Then they give you honey, and then yeah. Okay. And I am not very good at this game, sadly, but if you just heard that honk on the horn, I do not know what that was. So I was not honking my horn, even though I don't even have a car, and I'm not even 10. But yes, if you thought this, I don't think you would have. But over the holidays, school holidays, it was my birthday, and I really wanted to get 10 subscribers. So can we get it for a birthday present? It would be very good to get it. I would be very happy and grateful, and yeah. I want to be as famous as my brother, even though he's not very famous. He only has like 48 subscribers. Still, he's trying to get 50. So go follow him. His thing is Literal God. He's recording a video right now. And Literal God all in all capitals. So, yep. And then go subscribe to him. And if you want to, you can also subscribe to me and like this video. That would be very appreciated. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, 10 scorpions still? Ugh. And I'm trying to get, what's it called? 500 tickets because I want to get this bee called the Photon Bee. I got a tabby bee when I got my first 500 tickets, but now I want to get Photon Bee. So, oh yeah, by the way, I need to check my badges to see if I can get a badge. I've gotten a badge. No. Oh, no, I don't want to do anything with that. Okay. And if you guys really want me to, I will get this Cub Buddy for 600 Robux. If you want me to, I will. If there's a comment on this video and it gets like 10 likes on the comments, I will get it in a video. So, oh no, I don't want to do anything with that. And I just want to do this part of the quest, and I'll do a little bit of this quest as well. Oh my ladies, hold on. Shake some ass. Okay, sorry. I just wanted to sing a song for a second. It's a TikTok song. Sorry, I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with TikTok. Also, if you want to go like my follow me on TikTok. My username is dogs.rule, RULE, rule. You probably know how to spell that, but I just wanted to spell it. Rule and then 352. That is it. But if you don't have an account, it's fine. You don't have to. But you can watch my videos. Okay, I forgot. I already got that. Now I'm gonna go to the pineapple patch. Also, I only had 30 bees in this game, so that's not very much. That's not much. It is definitely not much. Dandelion field. Yeah. This is the 30 bees area, by the way. I'm trying to do a quest for this person, which is the creator of this game on it. And actually no, if this video gets 20 likes, I'll get a Cup Buddy, the Cup Buddy that I showed you before. I'll get a Cup Buddy if this video gets 10 likes. But I'll only have 18 Robux left. So and also, by the way, when I hit 30 subscribers, I might do a face reveal. But don't give any hate when I do a face reveal. Okay, I'll have to stop recording this video. And make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to stay with the Geegies.